Good morning, friends. Welcome to the first presentation on Jolly Phonics sounds formation, recognition, and writing. Every one of you will benefit from this presentation. A lot of parents speak wrong words to their children. This can be corrected. It all starts from you. Your child can speak right the moment he or she starts speaking. So, words such as poo-poo, poo, wee, bum-bum are not English words. They can be corrected. So, teach your child not to say the following. Please repeat after me. Don't say, I want to poo. Don't say, I want to wee. Say, I want to use the restroom. I want to use the restroom. Don't say, clean my bum-bum. No, that's wrong. Say, please clean my bum. Sorry, please wash my bum. Please wash my bum. Please wash my bum. Thanks. Right now, I will be beginning with the Jolly Phonics sounds formation. Now, the first sound I will be starting with is sound R. Sound R. Sound R. Sound R. Sound R. Sound R. This is sound R. To write the sound R correctly, your child takes 3 steps. The first step is the curve, the left curve. This is the left curve, which takes the first step. The next step is the short stroke down, and the third step is the kick at the end. So, point at this and say, ah, 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 ah. This is sound ah, as head in apple. As head in apple. Sound is head in apple. That is the beginning sound in the word apple. Now, the major concern is how the sound is written. The formation makes it easy and possible for your child to master at a very tender age. So tell the child to say, begin this way. Left curve. This is the first step. Short stroke down, then kick. So joining it together now, your child can say left curve, short stroke down, a little kick. Left curve, short stroke down with a little kick. Right sound R as heading apple. This is sound R. This is sound R as heading apple. Say apple. Apple. Ant. So this is sound R. The formation again is left curve, short stroke down with a little kick. Sound A. Good. The next sound is the second sound made by the second letter of the alphabet. This is the second sound made by the second letter of the English alphabet. Is sound B. Sound B. Sound B has 2 steps in its formation. The first step is the long stroke down, and the next step is right left curve. This is the second step in writing sound B. So teach the child first to begin this way. Long stroke down. It's not a short stroke, it's a long stroke down. So, long stroke down, down right curve, joining it together, this rise, long stroke down, down right curve, right? Sound b, sound b, as hiding ball, as hiding ball. So you say b, 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 ball, b, 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 ball, b, 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 ball, b, 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 ball. R, 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 apple. Good. The next sound formation I will be introducing is sound k, sound k. We don't call it sound C, that's wrong. We call it sound k. C is the letter name, not the sound. Every letter of the alphabet makes sound. So, letter C sounds k. Letter C sounds k. Letter C sounds k. So, to begin the formation, you start by writing the left curve first. This is the left curve. It's just a single step. Left curve, right, sound k. Left curve is sound k. Left curve is sound k. A left curve is sound k. A left curve is sound k. You say k, as head in cup, as head in cup, as head in cup. Good. Now, the next sound formation is sound d, sound d, sound d, sound d, sound d. This is sound d. Da 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 dag 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 da 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 dag. So this is sound d. Sound d follows a sound formation to write it properly. So the first sound formation in the writing of sound d is the down left curve. Okay, stroke down. Right sound d. Long stroke down. Down left curve. Long stroke down. Down left curve. Right sound d. This is the formation again. Long stroke down. Down left curve. Long stroke down. Down left curve. Right sound d. Da 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 dag. Da 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 dag. Da 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 dar. Good. This is the fourth sound of the letter of the alphabet. Now, the fifth sound of the letter of the alphabet is called, or is said as sound A. Sound A. Sound A. Sound A has these following steps. It takes 2 steps in its formation. So this is sound A. The first step in writing sound A is the dash, dash. The second step is the left curve. So dash, left curve, dash, a left curve, right? Sound A. A dash, a left curve, a sound A. A dash, a left curve, a sound A. A dash, a left curve, a sound A. Sound A is head in egg. Egg. As head in egg. As head in egg. As head in egg. So this is sound A. Once again, you should teach your child the right sound formation in writing the letter sounds. The first sound is sound A. Next is sound B. Next is sound K. Next is sound D. Next is sound A. We will be taking these 5 just now. In other classes, I will tell you the formation of the other sounds. Just follow up this. So once again, I said, to teach the child the right sound formation, you start by saying, left curve shall stroke down with a little kick, a sound A. In the writing of sound A, the stroke is not supposed to be a long stroke. When it becomes a long stroke, it becomes sound. So this is wrong. The stroke should be short. A left curve shall stroke down.